Air Jordan 40 Colorways and Special Editions. The Air Jordan 40 debuts in a refined mix of white, black, and best gray. The upper combines eco leather and suede, keeping branding minimal with a Jumpman on the tongue and Nike Air on the heel. Inspired by elements from the Air Jordan 10 and Air Jordan 39, this version introduces improved stability, a redesigned lacing system, and stronger lockdown support, balancing modern performance with heritage cues. Jordan Brand is recognizing elite youth talent with the Air Jordan 40 EYBL Player Exclusive. Based on the classic colorway, this special edition is reserved exclusively for 2025 Elite Youth Basketball League athletes, along with select friends and family. No public release is planned. In celebration of 4 decades of Air Jordan, the Air Jordan 40 arrives in multiple launch colorways, highlighted by the Dusty Rose edition. This pair is scheduled to release on September 20, 2025 through select Jordan Brand retailers on Nike.com, priced at $205. The Air Jordan 40 Dongdan Player Exclusive has surfaced in connection with the annual Jordan-sponsored streetball tournament in Beijing. Reportedly limited to only 6 pairs, this extremely rare edition is expected to remain a tournament-only release for select athletes. Chris Paul recently revealed a one-of-one Air Jordan 40 Player Exclusive during the 2025 Elite Camp in Las Vegas. The shoe features soft pink suede with floral detailing, continuing Jordan Brand's tradition of storytelling through exclusive player designs. First seen during a press preview in New York City, the blue suede Air Jordan 40 features smooth blue suede across the toe box and side panels, contrasted by black nubuck overlays and a shimmering tongue. Design references span multiple classic Air Jordan models. The release is set for August 23, 2025 at $205. Jordan Brand also delivered a player-exclusive Air Jordan 40 pack to the Marquette women's basketball team. Dressed in the school's blue and gold colors, this edition is not expected to release publicly, though future school-inspired releases remain possible. The Air Jordan 40 Bordeaux edition features deep red tones including Bordeaux, University Red, and Burgundy Crush. Premium suede overlays, textured panels, and perforated collar detailing elevate the look. A fall 2025 release is expected at a retail price of $205. Blending performance and lifestyle appeal, the Air Jordan 40 Medium Olive offers a futuristic design paired with ZoomX cushioning and a durable rubber outsole. This colorway is scheduled to release on October 16, 2025 for $205. The iconic Chicago colorway arrives on the Air Jordan 40 with white leather uppers, black detailing, and varsity red accents. A sail midsole adds a vintage-inspired finish. The release is set for November 1, 2025 at $205. The Air Jordan 40 28 continues the line's mashup philosophy, pulling subtle inspiration from earlier Air Jordan models without relying heavily on nostalgia. Longtime collectors may recognize familiar color blocking details tied to a notable 2013 release. The Air Jordan 40 23 Stealth draws inspiration from the artistic legacy of the Air Jordan 23. While honoring its roots, the design leans into a modern aesthetic. This colorway launches on December 26, 2025 at select retailers and Nike.com for $200. The Air Jordan 40 16 Midnight Navy represents a bold hybrid combining the Air Jordan 40 with design elements from the Air Jordan 16. Known for its sleek performance heritage, this fusion releases on December 26, 2025 through SNKRS for $200. Looking ahead to 2026, the Air Jordan 40 14 Ferrari edition channels the luxury sports car influence of the Air Jordan 14. A red suede upper, shield-style ankle badge, and carbon fiber detailing complete the look. A spring 2026 release is expected at a retail price of $200.